welcome. This is awesome.
I'm very excited that we're able to welcome you into our office.
Because the thing is that like at a certain point you need to realize that the work you're doing is larger than yourself.
Seeking out people who are great to work with is so paramount to your business, to your projects, to anything in life. Even on Twitter, the people you follow, your team, who you surround yourself with.
One of the tough things you run into when you're trying to get better at technology is that you're constantly learning new things and you really need a lot of practice before you become good at something. And so a good way to improve your skills is actually to work on more projects, to help more people, and to write more code. So Code Montage is all about getting better at coding while helping other people.
We have a special skill set, and when you get a large number of people together, you can really accomplish a lot.
Code Montage is a phenomenal organization, and they really seem to care about empowering organizations like mine or new advocacy groups like mine, get the information and connect to the brilliant coders and amazing talent that they need to really grow and thrive.
This day is a fantastic opportunity. I'm glad so many people are passionate about helping others, helping nonprofits, helping the world as I am.
It's really about taking some complete step forward, no matter how small it is. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward.